Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Britney by Ferre in the color Wheat Blonde, also known as T613/27. So yes, this is yet another take on that classic 27 with the 613 tip. So let me go ahead and show you what this one looks like. This one is probably the most subtle of all of them, honestly. And that includes the Jon Renau 27 T613F and a number of other colors that are very similar. So you can see that this is thoroughly blended on top. You got that 27, which in the Ferre line is a very soft sort of strawberry blonde as opposed to a caramel brown. So it's a very pretty, subtle strawberry blonde mixed in with a 613, which you can see concentrated here at the tips is kind of like a pale baby towhead kind of gold-based platinum blonde. Very pretty color. And the effect is, like I said, very subtle. You can see my bio hair poking through, but this is not a rooted color. So let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you what Britney looks like on all sides. Britney is a 6.4 ounce wig, so even though she's not super long, she's kind of heavy. And that's because all this volume you see on top is due to the fact that you're getting a ton of hair. And as I may have mentioned in other reviews of the Ferre brand, if you're one of those people where you order like Jon Renau wigs and you're like, this wig is really sparse, you know what? You might just be picking the wrong brand. You know, Jon Renau wigs don't have a ton of hair on them. They're made to be, you know, kind of light denier and light density, whereas these Ferre wigs are thick. They give you a ton of hair for your money. So if you're looking for something with a really densely threaded monofilament top and lots and lots and lots of hair, you'll get it more from something like Britney here. And I'll show you what I mean more when I take the cap off. The front down is 10 inches, so it's quite long. The crown down is 14 inches, and the nape is 11.5 inches. This wig does not have a lace front. Let me go ahead and take Britney off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Britney is a monofilament top wig without a lace front, so there's what that mono top looks like. Look how thick that is. And I'm really holding that down to show it off. So this is a very densely threaded, very thick monofilament top. Let me show you the underside of this one. We've got a really nice contoured hairline with a thick band of polyurethane right at the front. We've got open wefts on the sides, open wefts in the back. Now there is a lot of space in between the tracts of hair in the back and on the sides, but I think they do that because you're getting so much hair on the top of the wig, and they want the wig to breathe well. The back is extended here at the nape, and it does have a hook enclosure, so it is adjustable. And then it is closed here at the ear tabs with lace, and it is slightly stretchy here on the sides. It's a bit stretchier here in the back. And then there is that color, so you know, slightly darker, sort of strawberry, sort of champagne-y strawberry blonde, kind of like a mixture of the two, and then boom, baby towhead blonde. I'm going to go ahead and comb this one out with my trusty wide tooth comb. Doesn't really need much combing, I'm basically just smoothing it out. And now I'm going to go ahead and put Britney back on. You see how thick that is? And that she's got some volume to her. There's no permatease in that wig. All of it comes from how dense the monofilament top is. So this has been my review of the Britney by Ferre in the color Wheat Blonde, also known as T613/27. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like what I do, why don't you check out my store? It's www.CysterWigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. Thank you very much and have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.